Good morning everyone. A quick video to generate amazing carousels and documents that can be shared on your social media platforms with less of details that looks very fancy and nice. There is an app called Gamma.app. You can have a free sign-in where you can have up to 400 credits to develop an application. So if you go to Gamma.app, it's just a very basic sign up. You will have approximately 400 credits. I just playing around with this for this video. You can do create with new AI. Then what you need to do is go to generate and then you go for socials, and here you can take up to 8 cards that are there. That is a good number. You want to play around, you can make I think 8 is a good number to play around with right now. And then I can just write very basic model context protocol. Suppose I want to make a document on this new topic, but it will not be that great. So what I did, I went to our ChatGPT and I mentioned model context protocol, create a document carousel, give me a good detailed prompt to put it in Gamma. So it gave me this amazing prompt that is there with different 8 slides that are here. And it is also invite it to learn to decoding data science. So it knows about us. So it has given us all the details that is there. So you can just use this basic prompt. I'll be sharing this in the prompt template as well. Then you just put it here, put the details here, and author credit. So there is a limitation here, right? There is a limitation of some characters here. So we need to mention here there is a limit of 500 words in Gamma app. So we cannot do much. So it just got stuck here. So let us just give the slide titles as limit is, I'll just mention 250 words because I feel this is less than 250 words. So while I'm making this video, we're exploring this as well along with you. So if I go here, I can do more. I can do so there is, even for spaces there is, right? And I will say reduce the space, no gap between lines. So just to keep everything together. So this is something that we have done, and let us try to take this. So it is if you leave it by default also, it can do a okay job, but I think slide titles cover, it is giving you all these details. And one thing I will also mention here, plus CTA about joining decoding data science community to download this and 100 plus documents. So this is what I am going to do. So this is a detailed prompt that I have written. You can try to add little bit more details if possible from here. If you want to overall style, professional fonts, good white spaces, clear headings and subheadings. So let me try if this fits in. Yeah, I think this is fine. So let us generate the outline. So everything is put in there in context in small words. So whatever we mentioned, it is getting this, as well as closing thoughts, and also it is giving you a basic website to a QR code. That is a better way to scan. So this is an extra thing that you need to put in the Gamma website, that manually you can do that particular thing. So if you feel this is not nice, you want to edit something here, you can add, you can delete and make it ahead. So suppose I don't like this 40%, I want to make it 30%, you can do that. So spend some time in reading this, try to do some research from here as well, what all topic you got, or else if you want to do, you want to put specifically, you want to put this stuff here, you can copy paste as well and put it here as well to make it do it. So now once this is fine, I will just click generate, and this is going to generate my social. I'm not sure whether it is generating the, yeah, so this is generating the social. So it is taking some time picking up everything. Future of MCP. So this is creating a carousel. It is creating the images as well. Yeah, so this is the document that has created, and tag A. So I don't think you need a hash code and everything here, so I will just make this. You can even edit whatever I'm doing. You can also edit this. You can also mention here www. your website, whatever is your call to action, you can do that. And then you can, so this is like an editor. So that is a good thing that I like about Gamma, right? It is also like an editor that you can use for your alignment. So centrally aligned, yeah, centrally aligned, and you can make it bold. You can make it little bigger as well. You can make it a little larger, and it looks nice as well. And if you want to change the color, you can do that. If for the website, if you want to make it red, so it looks that people can look at it. I feel I can make it little bit bigger so people can look at it. So this is the document that is there. Once you feel this document is fine, if you want to put a right arrow here, generally a right arrow is if you want to put here, there is an option here of image, smart layout, card template, embed wedge, forms and buttons. So these are some things that you can do. Image, layout and text, so you can play around with this. There are tables, there is a toggle, and there are a lot of other things that you need to do as well. So this is something that you can, if you feel it's fine, you can go to share, you can go to export, you can export this to PDF, or you can directly push it to LinkedIn, but I will not do that. I request you to download the PDF yourself. Look at it. So one thing, this is the free version that is there, so you will have this particular thing written in this, made with Gamma. If you want to remove this, then you need to add this particular thing. And so this is a carousel that you have created. You can so I added one arrow from images here as well, and I have put it here. And once this is done, again I am going to share, export, PDF, and then once this is done, you will get it in your specific local drive, right? I recommend it is $10 per user per month to use this. Without this, because if you are having a professional setup where you want to set these things, you will be able to look at it. Though this does not look that professional, a lot of details are not there. It is more about just sharing a document, seeing how it works, and take it further. So this is one way that I request every one of you who are looking in this video, try to create your own document using Gamma, and try to create your carousel and take it forward. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.